Hello friends, welcome to EduTech Learn and Grow. In this video we are going to see 100 most important GK questions which are asked in competitive exams. Question number 1. Who is the first woman Prime Minister of India? Answer: Indira Gandhi. Question number 2. Who was the first woman Chief Minister in India? Answer: Sucheta Kriplani. Question number 3. Which is the largest state in India? Answer: Rajasthan. Question number 4. Which is the smallest state in India? Answer: Goa. Question number 5. Who is the first citizen of India? Answer: President. Question number 6. Who is the second citizen of India? Answer: Vice President. Question number 7. Who is the third citizen of India? Answer: Prime Minister. Question number 8. When the Indian people celebrate Independence Day? Answer: 15th August. Question number 9. When we celebrate our Indian Republic Day? Answer: 26 January. Question number 10. What is the total number of characters in Hindi alphabet? Answer: 52. Question number 11. Who is the composer of Indian national song? Answer: Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Question number 12. How many spokes in Indian national flag of India? Answer: 24 spokes. Question number 13. What is the national song of India? Answer: Vande Mataram. Question number 14. What is the national flower of India? Answer: Lotus. Question number 15. Who is the first female Chief Justice of India? Answer: Fatima Bibi. Question number 16. How many months in every single year? Answer: 12 months. Question number 17. How many days in every single week? Answer: 7 days. Question number 18. How many Indian states have the Hindi language? Answer: 10. Question number 19. Which language is used most in Maharashtra? Answer: Marathi. Question number 20. Which of the following is a Hindi script? Answer: Devanagari. Question number 21. What is the name of the longest river on the earth? Answer: the Nile River. Question number 22. What is the name of the fastest animal on the land? Answer: cheetah. Question number 23. What is the main source of energy for Earth? Answer: sun. Question number 24. Which continent has not a single volcano? Answer: Australia. Question number 25. What is the smallest ocean in the world? Answer: Arctic Ocean. Question number 26. Which is the highest mountain in India? Answer: Kanchenjunga. Question number 27. Which is the largest lake in India? Answer: Wular Lake. Question number 28. Who built the Red Fort in Delhi? Answer: Shah Jahan. Question number 29. USA, what is the currency of it? Answer: dollar. Question number 30. When we celebrate the Indian Navy Day? Answer: 4th December. Question number 31. When we celebrate Indian Post Day? Answer: 9th October. Question number 32. Who composed the Indian National Anthem? Answer: Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 33. Who was the first female IPS officer in India? Answer: Kiran Bedi. Question number 34. Where is the Wular Lake situated in India? Answer: Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 35. Who is the first Indian Field Marshal? Answer: Jamsetji Manekshaw. Question number 36. What is the highest of the three wooden stumps in cricket? Answer: 28 inches. Question number 37. Which type of lens is used in camera? Answer: convex lens. Question number 38. What is Canada's national sport? Answer: ice hockey. Question number 39. Jaspal Rana is related to which game? Answer: shooting. Question number 40. Which is India's highest sports award? Answer: Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Question number 41. Full form of LAN? Answer: Local Area Network. Question number 42. Full form of EVM? Answer: Electronic Voting Machine. Question number 43. Full form of DTP? Answer: Desktop Publishing. Question number 44. Full form of modem? Answer: modulator and demodulator. Question number 45. Full form of RDX? Answer: Research Development Explosive. Question number 46. Full form of WWW? Answer: World Wide Web. Question number 47. Hindi Day is celebrated on? Answer: September 14. Question number 48. Bihu is one of the most popular dance of which Indian state? Answer: Assam. Question number 49. Yahoo, Google and MSN is? Answer: Internet sites. Question number 50. Inaccuracy in computer data is called? Answer: bug. Question number 51. IBM is the complete form of? Answer: International Business Machine. Question number 52. CAD means? Answer: Computer Aided Design. Question number 53. What is the longest river in India? Answer: Ganga River. Question number 54. What is the use of CD characters in a computer dictionary? Answer: compact disc. Question number 55. 1 kilobyte is equivalent to? Answer 1024 bytes. Question number 56. What is the length of a word in a computer? Answer bit. Question number 57. What is the purpose of the assembler? Answer converting assembly language into machine language. Question number 58. Who was the first woman Lok Sabha Speaker of India? Answer Meera Kumar. Question number 59. Where is the Pushkar Lake situated in India? Answer Rajasthan. Question number 60. How long does the earth rotate in a circle? Answer 365.25 days. Question number 61. What is the full form of BDT? Answer binary digits task. Question number 62. What is the full form of ROM? Answer read only memory. Question number 63. What is the full form of HTML? Answer hypertext markup language. Question number 64. What is the magnitude of the earthquake measuring machine? Answer Richter scale and seismograph. Question number 65. Where and when did the first underground train in India started? Answer October 21, 1984 in Kolkata. Question number 66. National Youth Day is celebrated on which date? Answer January 12. Question number 67. On what date is the National Army Day celebrated? Answer January 15. Question number 68. On which date is the National Sports Day celebrated? Answer August 29. Question number 69. The first Indian player to take a hat-trick in cricket, Test cricket. Answer Harbhajan Singh. Question number 70. In which year did India win the World Cup for the first time in cricket? Answer in 1983. Question number 71. Which cricketer is known as Rawalpindi Express? Answer Shoaib Akhtar. Question number 72. Which player makes the first double century in ODI cricket? Answer Sachin Tendulkar. Question number 73. Who is the first Indian batsman to score a triple century in Test cricket? Answer Virendra Sehwag. Question number 74. Which country is known as the birthright of a cricket game? Answer England. Question number 75. Rocket Dash works on the principle of? Answer protection of momentum. Question number 76. When suddenly brakes in a moving bus, the passenger sitting in it fall in forward direction. It can be explained by whom? Answer Newton's first law. Question number 77. Remedy is used for the prevention of defects. Answer convex lens. Question number 78. A near sight defect is used in the person's eyeglasses. Answer concave lens. Question number 79. Non-metals are the helper of electricity because? Answer they are not free electrons. Question number 80. What energy is found in a dry cell? Answer: chemical. Question number 81. Who is the inventor of gravitational rules? Answer: Newton. Question number 82. Who discovered the television? Answer: John Locke Baird. Question number 83. Rubber balloon filled with hydrogen breaks up in air because? Answer: air pressure decreases. Question number 84. What energy is there in a key clock? Answer: potential energy. Question number 85. Which of the following has no kinetic energy? Answer: Drewbo. Question number 86. What force does it take to remove cream from milk? Answer: autocentral force. Question number 87. How much of Earth's gravitational is closer to the gravity of the moon? Answer: 1/6. Question number 88. Raindrop is spherical. Answer: due to surface tension. Question number 89. Who has compiled the rule of the motion of the planets? Answer: Kepler. Question number 90. Earth and the other planets revolve around the sun. Who first proved it? Answer: Copernicus. Question number 91. What is the frequency of sound waves in the audio compound? Answer: 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Question number 92. The filament of the light bulb is made up of which element? Answer: tungsten. Question number 93. Electrical motor works according to the following principle? Answer: Faraday's law. Question number 94. The light with the lowest wavelength is light? Answer: purple. Question number 95. Rainbow is caused by? Answer: reflection and refraction. Question number 96. The color of the sky appears to be blue due to? Answer: due to scattering. Question number 97. Which is the highest mountain in India? Answer: Kanchenjunga. Question number 98. Which is the lowest point of India? Answer: Kuttanand. Question number 99. India is situated in which continent? Answer: Asia. Last question, question number 100. India is situated in which region of the Asian continent? Answer: South Asia. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe. EduTech, learn and grow. Thank you. All the best.